Here in Kui,
Here in Kui,
Here in Kui,
David, graphic designer, the Blackjack.
I am Reyna Odessa Ilianata. I am payroll associate here in Kui and my SRT is a grateful star.
Hi, my name is Leigh and I am a customer service representative here in Kui. I think the best part about my role is engaging with the customer and somehow build connection with them.
We in the finance team, we have a vital role in overseeing and recording company's expenses efficiently. And I think that's the best thing about my job.
The best thing about being a graphic designer is that I can help my clients build their brand and marketing presence through my artistic expression.
From the interview until now has been really fun. The company provides engagement activity every week for interaction and somehow get to know people.
At first, I thought we was just gonna be like another corporate office, but as I started working with them, it was a journey filled with professional and personal growth.
As a newbie, I really like the chill and homey atmosphere.
Now that you've heard of our newbie story, we invite you to become part of our extraordinary community. So sign up now, be the first to know our exciting opportunities, and join the network of like-minded people. Your exciting journey with Kui Inc. awaits!